Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're putting up a deer stand. Stay tuned. Alright, so here we have the game winner 2-man deer stand. Bought it at Academy for $100. I've also got the accessory kit, the roof and the skirt. Need to go up there and fix the skirt, and it looks like that roof is holding quite a bit of water. So we'll take a look at that and see what we can do to keep it from holding water. But really like this deer stand. I like how this center brace attaches. You know, with it being bolted, you kind of have to leave it together coming in the woods, so it's one less thing you can take off unless you bring your tools with you. Pretty nice setup as it goes back to the tree. And the other thing that I like about it is most deer stands just give you a little rope here to tie. On this deer stand, it actually has a strap that you can pull, which I really like. It lets you know that you got a good tight center brace. Another thing, these ladders, they bolt together, so unlike the stands that I'm used to where it's just a pin, a lot easier to put together in the woods, you have these bolts, so you obviously have to deal with that. You know, risk losing a bolt. You could probably swap these bolts out for some pins, and it'd be a little bit easier when you're in the woods to put this thing together. Same here. You could probably put some pins here that fit tight and make it a little bit easier to transport. If it's anything like me, you know, I've got to lug this deer stand in the woods probably about 3/4 to a mile in the woods with a side-by-side, so ideally it doesn't really work too well having this whole thing put together coming in the woods. So I had to bring tools out here to put it up. So let's go up this deer stand real quick. We just had Hurricane Michael come through and blew everything around a little bit. Looks like we've got some water here, so we'll try and get that off without getting it all over me. Just go ahead and get this unzipped. Get up in here. See if I can get it set down. Just climbing in a tree with it. Machete isn't the best idea. Got quite a bit of water here. Let's see how this goes. Not the best roof. I'm not very impressed with this material that they got here, but hey, look, this can be fixed easily. Could always use a tarp of some sort, camouflage tarp, something to keep it from sagging so much. That right there, all that weight it picked up, stretched that material out pretty good. See if we can get this skirt put on. Now we got the skirt put on. Let's see if we can take a look at how this goes on. So you've got your Velcro straps here. The only thing is you can't really open or raise the shooting bar, so you're limited there. But it does zip up in the middle, so you can still get in the deer stand from there. Like I said, everything Velcros all the way around. Pretty nice. Keep your legs from being seen. You also got pretty good backrest here. Something comfortable to lean up against. Same thing with the seat. Pretty comfortable seat cushion. And obviously the roof. Now, for those of you who are wondering how this roof attaches, you can see this also bolts. So pretty much everything on this stand is nuts and bolts. So if you're putting this up in the woods, either you're going to have it assembled before you come out, like the legs and the roof and stuff, or you're going to have to bring some tools with you. So same thing on this side. You got two in the back, one here in the front, and there's a little spacer there. But I mean, when I shake this is, to me, I think it's pretty sturdy. It's not going to go nowhere. I just don't like the material that this roof is made of. So there'll be some fixing that. Just so everyone knows, the skirt here also attaches by these ties. So you just take them, tie them around the deer stand here. Take a little cinch. And that right there will keep it from flapping around. She looks a whole lot better now that I fixed the skirt and the roof. This time I left the skirt unzipped, so maybe it won't catch so much rain if we get some more rain. I'm sure we won't have all the wind to deal with like we did when Michael came through.